Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz again, and as I promised, I am sharing with you my haul from my shopping trip at Lancome to get my Spring 2021 gift with purchase. Now, if you guys are not familiar with what a gift with purchase is, you have to buy a small qualifier, in this case $39.50 when you go to the Lancome counter, and you pick out a product and you get a bunch of free gifts, usually about 7 free gifts for the price of 1. Now, when I went to Lancome, I was in need of my Tawny Doll Matte Stick Foundation, and you guys have seen me talk about this before. I use it as a foundation and as a concealer. There is nothing else that works as good as the matte stick for covering dark circles. And as you can see, it is like a cream stick, and it doesn't set in your lines. A lot of cream matte stick foundations have been known to do that, but they have reformulated the matte stick, and now on the end, it has a soft bristle brush that blends the matte foundation so beautifully. I cannot wait to try that, because the last time I bought this in October, that's how long it lasts. By the way, it's at least been 6 or 7 months since I bought my last one. But let me share with you my haul. And the first thing that I want to share is the really cute cosmetic bag. Oops. That Lancome has, and as you can see, it's iridescent, and it's kind of pink and yellow and orange. It is so cute, and it is rather big, so when you open it, it's bigger than your average cosmetic case, and that is what I like the most about the gifts. Really, I am a beauty box and cosmetic bag junkie. But here's the cosmetic bag that comes with it. And as far as the contents, they all come in one little package. So let's open our package, and we're going to dig in. First and foremost, we have the Renergie. And this is the lifting, toning, and firming skincare. There's a lot of different Lancome skincare formulas, but this is the Renergie, and you always can tell because it's purple. This is the trial size of the eye cream, and this is their newest, the Multi-Action Ultra. And this is new, so I've never tried this, but I cannot wait. And it's all Lancome skincare. Is so luscious and so well formulated, and a lot of scientific research goes into this. And this is a Lancome's best-selling skincare line for sure, is the Renergie. Okay, so when you go to have the gift, if you've noticed last week in my video when we were actually at Lancome and I was walking you through what the display looked like at the counter, you can see there that you can pick between the Renergie and the Absolute, which is their premium skincare line. And so you get to pick between the Renergie and the Absolute, but they all come with, either one comes with a cream mousse Confort cleanser, and this is amazing. I use it all the time. I will not have any other cleanser on my skin. It is suitable for all skin types, and it is a mousse, so when you add a little bit of water to it, it gets kind of semi-foamy, and it's just a really gentle kind of cleansing for your skin. And also, both sets come with the La Vie Estee Belle hand lotion, and this is pretty big, as you can see. I mean, it's kind of big, and it's a purse size. It is perfect. You can put it in your purse, and if you guys have not smelled the lotion, if you like the La Vie Belle perfume, the lotion is a must-have as well. Oh, it is so wonderful. And I can even tell when I have this in my purse and I put the La Vie Belle lotion on, I can wash my hands. And even after I wash my hands, I can still smell the lotion. That is how good that stuff stays. And the eye palette that we get with the Lancome is in the neutral brown family. So whether you are cool or warm, you can see the contour shades, you can see the middle shades, and also the highlighter. And it comes with its handy dandy little compact mirror, which makes it small enough and easy enough to take with you when you go. And this is something I very much needed because I was out of pink lipstick for the summer, but I knew the gift was coming. So the shade is the new Pink Sheer, and that is Lancome's new lipstick shade. But the Lancome lip colors are so amazing. They are a matte type of lipstick, and they have staying power. As you can see, I've got a different shade on today, but I cannot wait to try the new pink lipstick, and we might make a video of that as well. But when you go to any Lancome counter, Kelly at my old store at Dillard's, she totally hooked me up, y'all. She gave me so many samples, and you guys can get samples of anything, the most premium skincare, the most expensive stuff, fragrance, skincare, makeup. If you can, they will give you samples of anything that you ask for. And if you are a good customer, and you can also have your name and contact information put on a list to where you will be the first one notified every time your counter has gift with purchase. Because you got to really hurry quick, because it's basically for the price of the one matte stick product, was $40 for the matte stick, or $42, but you have to spend $39.50, and you're getting over $147, I think it was, worth of products. So you guys, if you like getting free makeup and skincare all year, this is exactly what I mean when I teach my mini masterclass on how to get free makeup and skincare all year, is how to take advantage of all the different counters and all the different months of their gift with purchase. But we got Olivia Bell sample. That's cute. See the little Eiffel Tower on it. And the new La Vie Estable Soleil Cristal. And you guys, they're in sensation right now. And I swear, I told Brad, Mother's Day, I've got to have some. I thought I would never find a fragrance I would like better than the regular La Vie Belle, but the Soleil Cristal, I posted about it a few weeks ago. You guys, you have to get a sample at your nearest Lancome counter of that. And also, she gave me 2 different samples of the Idol, however you want to say it. Of course, it means idol in French, but we got 2 samples of each of those kind of fragrances. She also gave me a sample of the new Tawny Doll mascara. And I really have not had a chance to try this either, so let's see how, and I will give a product review on this as well. But now I have all these goodies that I can give reviews on. She also gave me 2 samples of the Absolute, and that is Lancome's premium skincare. Serum is the best. The rose cream, anything Absolute. You can absolutely be sure that your skin is going to thank you. So we've got 2 of these samples as well. She also gave me 2 samples of the Genefique Eye Cream, and a sample of the newest Renergie, which is the Multi-Glow. And she had talked to me a little bit about this, and I got to sample the texture when we were at the Lancome counter. And I also will post a little bit more information on the product showcase on the website. Every week it's a different Lancome product that we showcase. I try to keep up with the newest things. And so definitely keep checking kimsbeautybiz.com for some information on the Renergie Multi-Glow, because especially with summer, hun, we all have to have our glow. And by the way, don't forget the beautiful iridescent cosmetic bag. I've never seen anything like it with any of the makeup counters at the department store. You guys, I hope you have enjoyed my haul that I got from Dillard's and my Lancome Spring 2021 gift with purchase. You guys, don't miss out because they go quickly. And if you want to check out my free mini masterclass, there's a page on the website Sorry, I had a little blooper there. But if you guys want to check out the masterclass on how to get free makeup and skincare all year, there is a page on the website that it explains to you, and you can sign up to be able to take the mini masterclass in 10 minutes. It's a little video and a short presentation of how to take advantage of all the gift with purchase, that not just Lancome counters, but the 4 different counters that I buy from and I follow, and how to rotate them to be able to get your free makeup and skincare all year long. And this is no joke. It's a super easy system that I've put together, and you seriously can get free makeup and skincare all year. And this is just a little tease about how we do it. You guys, as always, much love. Stay tuned every week. I put out a new video on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, kimsbeautybiz.com. As always, I love you. Bye-bye.